Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into the best bed comforter queen size, the Utopia bedding comforter duvet insert. This comforter is designed to bring both comfort and style to your bedroom without breaking the bank. Right out of the box, the Utopia bedding comforter features a 100% microfiber fabric shell, which is made from polyester. This gives it a soft and smooth texture that feels great against the skin. The filling is also 100% polyester, utilizing siliconized fiberfill to provide a plush, cozy feel. This alternative filling mimics the loft and warmth of down but is hypoallergenic and easier to care for. Measuring 88 inches by 88 inches, the queen-size insert fits perfectly on standard queen beds. It features a box-stitched design with piped edges, giving the comforter a clean, modern look while keeping the fill evenly distributed. This means no clumps or cold spots, ensuring consistent warmth across the entire comforter. One of the standout features is the inclusion of corner tabs. These tabs make it incredibly easy to secure the comforter inside a duvet cover, preventing it from slipping or bunching up. This small detail can make a big difference when it comes to convenience and maintaining a neat appearance. Durability and ease of maintenance are also important. This comforter is machine washable on a gentle cycle with cold water. After washing, it can be line dried or tumble dried on no heat. The microfiber fabric resists wrinkles and shrinking, helping it maintain its shape and softness through multiple washes. The Utopia bedding comforter is versatile, designed for all seasons. It provides enough warmth for cooler months without overheating in warmer weather, making it a great all-around choice for year-round comfort. In terms of style, the comforter comes in a classic white color that fits seamlessly with various bedroom decors. It's available in multiple sizes beyond queen, including twin, full, king, and California king, plus an array of colors if you want to explore other options. Weighing just over 5 pounds, it's lightweight enough to handle easily but still substantial enough to deliver a comforting presence on your bed. With a reputation as a top seller in the bedding duvets and down comforters category, this product offers a balance of quality, comfort, and value. Whether you're outfitting a guest room or upgrading your own bedding, the Utopia bedding comforter duvet insert is a solid choice that combines practical features with a stylish finish. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this overview and want more honest, straightforward reviews on everyday products, don't forget to subscribe. Sleep well.